As someone who's been a business owner for 8 years now and has used multiple different email marketing programs, I really want to share with you which one has been my absolute favorite and that I've used going on 3+ years now, have stuck with it, and I absolutely love and recommend to all of my students as well. And even someone who has now more of an advanced online business where we're doing a lot of segments and tagging and workflows and automations and all of these different things, this program has still been my absolute favorite. I have not found a reason to move away from it. And that program is Flowdesk. And there is actually a 50% off your first year link down below if you use my link to sign up. And I want to tell you a little bit about why I love it so much. If you're trying to do research on different email marketing programs and what all the different ones are and which one you should join, especially if you're a beginner, this is 1000% where I recommend starting. Or even if you're someone who's more advanced like me, there's a few huge perks of using Flowdesk. The first reason why I absolutely love it is, especially if you're on the newer side, like if you're looking to create a freebie, maybe you don't even have your own website yet, and that makes you feel really overwhelmed, Flowdesk makes it so easy to create freebies and immediately get them out to your audience. So within Flowdesk, there's the option to create full landing pages for your freebies. It acts as almost like its own little website page. You can't create websites in Flowdesk, but it's like its own one-page freebie opt-in place that you can then take that link and share it on your social media and different platforms. And so it really helps to be able to quickly get the word out about a freebie that you might be creating, right? So instead of having to figure out how to create a website page and then add that, coding for the form into the website page and, then get your freebie out, it makes it very, very simple. And in addition to that, in the way that you deliver your freebie in a freebie delivery email, it allows you to directly upload like a PDF or something like that. So if you're doing a guide or downloadable freebie or ebook, very, very simple process. You don't have to upload your freebie somewhere else and then link it in your email. You can upload it directly to the email, which is a huge plus. And if you want a little bit more guidance on what kind of freebies you should be creating for your business, join my free email class on building a powerful email marketing plan to make income in your business. The link will be in the description, and we go even more in depth in that free class on exactly the freebies you should be creating for your business to see more opt-ins and more growth. The second reason why I love Flowdesk is the ease of use for email marketers. And like I mentioned, like if you're someone who's researching different programs, you've probably come across ones like ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, even MailChimp is one that's pretty popular. I would say that a lot of those, in my opinion, and when I've signed up for them and have used them for myself or clicked around in them, that they definitely aren't as user-friendly in the sense of like quickly being able to figure out how to use it and very intuitive, especially for someone who's not used to email marketing. Some of those programs do have more systems and automations built out like ActiveCampaign and ConvertKit, so there's some benefits there, but it can get very overwhelming very quickly. And especially if you're on the newer side, I would say Flowdesk is a really great way to start. And remember, you can always change to something else. So if you decide in 3 months from now that you just hate Flowdesk and want to switch to something else, you absolutely can. Nothing says you have to stay with your email marketing service provider forever, right? You could always switch, and you own that list of emails. So you're able to switch to wherever you would like. The third reason I'm obsessed with Flowdesk, and this is probably one of the best reasons ever, is you don't pay for more subscribers when you gain more subscribers. You pay that flat fee for your subscription, and that's as much as you're going to pay. And so if you're someone who's newer, this might not matter as much to you right now, and the cost of other programs compared to Flowdesk are probably going to be pretty similar. This is going to make a big difference as you start to grow your platform, as you start to grow your list. Flowdesk doesn't increase the cost with the amount of subscribers that increase. I have not seen any other email marketing service provider do this. Most ESPs increase the cost of the program as you add more subscribers. And I have literally saved myself thousands of dollars by using Flowdesk and not using another email marketing program because my cost for my email marketing doesn't increase with the amount of subscribers I'm adding. I'm not having to calculate that into the cost of doing business, and it's simply one flat fee that I am using. And that's just one reason that I am obsessed with it. And especially though, like if you're someone newer, obviously have that long-term vision and knowing that like you're not going to have to be paying more whenever you grow your list. But also if you are someone who's more advanced, maybe you've hit that, $1,000 maybe you've hit 1,000 email list subscribers or even 10,000 email list subscribers, you're gonna have a substantial savings by switching to Flowdesk. The fourth reason I really love Flowdesk, and this is actually a more recent feature they came out with, but it's their analytics. Guys, their analytics is so good, and it gives you so much more data to look at, like lifetime metrics and to look at past 30-day metrics, or how certain forms are performing and conversion rates and all of those different things. Like, it's pretty cool. So if you are someone who still wants some of those analytics, especially because they just launched this feature this year, it's amazing. And before that, there really weren't a lot of analytics you could track. You could track more independently how things were doing, but it was a little bit trickier to track things. And now they've just made it so simple to track how many opt-ins are coming in from each of your freebies and how many people are opening your emails in a certain time frame or within a certain workflow. And it just keeps it so simple to be able to track those different things that are really important to track if you're using email marketing. The fifth reason I really love Flowdesk is it has really beautiful graphic design built into the program. So again, if you're someone who's on the newer side, if you're someone who like doesn't have graphic design experience like I do, it makes it really simple to make your landing pages. So like when people are going to opt into your freebies, it makes it really simple to make your emails just all look really beautiful. They have so many different designs literally built in the platform. Like when you go to create a landing page for your freebie, they have so many templates you can choose from, or go to create an email, they have so many templates you can choose from and so many different options for different blocks you can add and adding images. And it's just a really cool feature about Flowdesk that's very unique from other platforms. Most platforms don't have designs built into their platform like that in the way that Flowdesk does. So that's definitely a huge benefit of using Flowdesk, because if you're trying to, have a professional appearance, and especially as someone who might be a newer business owner, you want your emails to look professional, you want your landing pages to look professional, to see higher conversions, higher open rates, higher click rates, right? Design just does play a big part of that, and making sure that your design is absolutely beautiful. So if you are wanting to get a little help in that area, Flowdesk is going to be a really good option for you, because they make it really, not only, remember, they're super easy to use, but they also have those beautiful designs built into the program. It just makes it so simple. And like I mentioned, if you want to check out Flowdesk, get a free trial. You can also get 50% off if you decide to sign up. Go ahead and go to that link down in the description, and you're able to check it out for yourself, see how you like it. If you have any questions about Flowdesk, about using Flowdesk, about how it works, drop a comment below. We are constantly replying to our comments and just being there to support you guys in whatever follow-up questions that you have. So if you have any questions, be sure to drop them down below this video, and we would love to support you with any questions you have about Flowdesk, about joining, and all those different things. And if you haven't already too, I would love to invite you to come follow along on Instagram. We actually post pretty much every day over there at Stephanie Case Education. We would love to have you come follow along and to be more connected with us, and you're always welcome to DM us over there as well, and I'll personally respond to your questions right now because I actually manage our DMs. So if you're interested in knowing more, be sure to do one of those two things, and we'd just love to connect with you more over on Instagram, and I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye guys.